The moment someone rejects you, your first instinct may be to explain yourself, chase answers, or prove your worth. Resist that urge. Your silence is not weakness. It is self-respect. Every message you don't send, every call you don't make, and every emotional reaction you refuse to display tells the world that your value isn't determined by another person's opinion. The moment someone rejects you, your first instinct may be to explain yourself, defend your feelings, or convince them that they made the wrong decision. That emotional reaction is natural, but acting on it often leads to more pain than healing. Every unanswered text you choose not to send, and every emotional outburst you choose to control becomes a quiet declaration that your self-worth is not dependent on someone else's acceptance. Real confidence begins when you stop seeking validation from the person who could not see your value. Instead of chasing someone who has already made their choice, you begin investing that same energy into rebuilding yourself. You realize that your peace is more valuable than temporary attention, and your dignity is worth protecting at all costs. Silence creates emotional space that words never can. While constant messages often reveal desperation, quiet confidence communicates emotional strength. It allows your mind to slow down, your emotions to settle, and your perspective to become clearer. Rather than spending every day wondering why you were rejected, you begin asking better questions about your own future, your personal goals, and the kind of relationships you truly deserve. This shift changes everything, because your attention moves away from what you lost and toward what you can still become. Many people expect to be chased after rejecting someone. They assume you'll keep calling, pleading, or searching for another chance. When none of that happens, the story changes. Your silence breaks expectations because it shows that you respect yourself enough to walk away without creating unnecessary drama. It reflects emotional maturity rather than emotional dependence. You no longer feel the need to prove your worth to someone who has already made their decision. Instead, your actions quietly communicate that your value exists whether they recognize it or not. The strongest people are not those who argue for acceptance, but those who continue growing without allowing rejection to define their identity or determine the direction of their life. When you choose silence after rejection, something powerful begins to happen. The person who expected you to keep chasing them is suddenly faced with something they didn't anticipate: your absence. Human nature is curious. People often notice what is no longer available more than what was always within reach. When your messages stop, your calls disappear, and your attention is no longer focused on them, they are left with unanswered questions. They may begin wondering why you moved on so quickly, whether you found happiness elsewhere, or if they misunderstood your true value. Your silence creates space for reflection that constant communication never could. This doesn't mean your goal should be to manipulate someone's emotions or make them regret their decision. The purpose of your silence is to protect your own peace while allowing life to unfold naturally. When you stop trying to force someone's attention, you remove the pressure from yourself and give your heart the opportunity to heal. At the same time, the other person no longer has the comfort of knowing you'll always be waiting. That uncertainty often causes people to reflect on the relationship in ways they never did before. They start remembering your kindness, your loyalty, your support, and the moments they once overlooked because they assumed you would always be there. While they are questioning what happened, you should be focused on becoming stronger every single day. Continue improving your health, developing new skills, building your career, and strengthening your confidence. Let your progress become louder than any explanation you could ever give. Whether they come back or not eventually becomes less important because your life is moving forward. The greatest transformation happens when you no longer need someone else's approval to feel complete. Your silence is valuable because it gives both people the opportunity to see the truth clearly. But more importantly, It reminds you that your future should never depend on someone who failed to recognize your worth in the first place. Many people believe the best way to respond to rejection is to make the other person jealous. They flood social media with carefully chosen photos, try to show off a new relationship, or pretend their life has suddenly become perfect. While these actions may attract temporary attention, they rarely bring lasting peace. Real strength is not found in trying to prove someone wrong. It is found in becoming someone who no longer needs their approval. Growth is always more powerful than revenge because it changes your future instead of keeping you trapped in your past. Every difficult experience gives you a choice. You can allow rejection to become a permanent wound, or you can use it as motivation to become a stronger, wiser, and more confident version of yourself. Instead of spending hours wondering why someone walked away, invest that time in improving your life. Read books that expand your thinking. Develop skills that increase your opportunities. Exercise to strengthen both your body and mind, and pursue goals that bring purpose to your life. Every small step forward rebuilds the confidence that rejection tried to steal. As your life begins to change, your mindset changes with it. You stop measuring your value by whether one person chooses you and start measuring it by the person you are becoming. Confidence grows naturally when you keep promises to yourself, stay disciplined, and refuse to let temporary disappointment define your identity. Success is not about proving your worth to someone who rejected you. Success is about proving to yourself that you are capable of achieving more than you ever imagined. Ironically, genuine personal growth often gets noticed without you trying. People can see the difference in your attitude, your confidence, and the way you carry yourself. Whether the person who rejected you notices or not, eventually becomes irrelevant because your happiness is no longer tied to their opinion. You have built a life that is centered on purpose, self-respect, and continuous improvement. That is the greatest victory anyone can achieve after rejection. Because the strongest comeback is not making someone regret losing you. It is creating a life so meaningful that you no longer regret losing them. True confidence is not built in moments when everyone applauds you or tells you how amazing you are. It is built in the quiet moments after disappointment, when no one is watching and you still choose to keep moving forward. Rejection has a way of making people question their worth. But confidence begins the moment you refuse to let someone else's decision become your identity. Instead of allowing heartbreak to define your future, you decide that every day will be another opportunity to become stronger, wiser, and more emotionally resilient. Silence plays a powerful role in this transformation because it gives you the time and space to reconnect with yourself. Without constantly checking your phone, waiting for a message, or wondering what the other person is thinking, your energy begins to return to where it belongs, your own life. You start paying attention to your dreams, your goals, your health, and the people who genuinely appreciate your presence. Every positive choice you make becomes another brick in the foundation of your confidence. You discover that real happiness does not come from being chosen by someone else. It comes from choosing yourself every single day. Confidence also grows through discipline. Every morning you get out of bed instead of giving in to sadness. Every workout you complete when you don't feel motivated. Every new skill you learn and every personal goal you accomplish reminds you that your future is still full of possibilities. These small victories may seem ordinary, but over time they completely change the way you see yourself. You stop viewing rejection as proof that you are not enough and begin seeing it as an experience that made you mentally stronger. The most attractive kind of confidence is quiet. It doesn't need constant validation, attention, or approval. It is reflected in the way you carry yourself, the boundaries you set, and the peace you maintain even after being hurt. When your confidence comes from within instead of from another person's acceptance, no rejection can destroy it. You become emotionally free because your happiness is no longer controlled by someone else's opinion, and that inner strength becomes one of the greatest achievements of your entire life. One of the biggest mistakes people make in relationships is giving unlimited access to their time, attention, and emotional energy without realizing how valuable those things truly are. When someone always knows you'll answer immediately, always forgive, and always be available no matter how they treat you, they may begin to take your presence for granted. This doesn't always happen because they are cruel. Sometimes it happens simply because human nature tends to underestimate what is constantly available. That is why your silence after rejection can become so powerful. It reminds people that your attention was never something they were entitled to. It was a gift they chose not to value. When you stop reaching out, everything changes. The routine they had grown comfortable with suddenly disappears. They no longer know what you're thinking, how you're feeling, or what is happening in your life. The certainty they once had is replaced with uncertainty. They may begin wondering whether you've moved on, whether you found new happiness, or whether they underestimated what they had. Questions start replacing assumptions, and reflection often replaces indifference. This shift doesn't happen because you tried to manipulate them. It happens because your absence reveals the value of what they no longer have. While they are processing that change, your responsibility is not to monitor their reaction, but to continue building your own future. Focus on becoming healthier, wiser, and more successful. Spend time with people who genuinely appreciate you. Pursue goals that inspire you, and create a life that brings you peace. The more fulfilled you become, the less your happiness depends on whether someone regrets their decision. Your confidence grows because you realize that your value was never determined by one person's opinion. Eventually, whether they miss you or not becomes secondary. The greatest reward is not hearing an apology or receiving another chance. The greatest reward is becoming someone who no longer settles for being an option. You understand that real love values consistency, respect, and commitment. Your silence is not about punishment or revenge. It is about protecting your peace, honoring your self-worth, and recognizing that the people who truly deserve a place in your life will never require you to beg for the love, respect, or attention that should be given freely. The greatest response to rejection is not making someone regret losing you. It is building a life that no longer depends on whether they ever come back. Too many people spend months or even years waiting for an apology, hoping for another message, or imagining a second chance. In doing so, they unknowingly place their happiness in someone else's hands. Real freedom begins the moment you stop waiting for closure from another person and start creating a future that excites you. Your life has a purpose far greater than proving your worth to someone who failed to recognize it. Every day gives you an opportunity to write a new chapter. Wake up with goals that have nothing to do with the past. Invest in your education. Strengthen your career. Improve your health. Deepen your faith. And surround yourself with people who encourage your growth. Every positive decision becomes another step away from heartbreak, and another step toward the person you were always meant to become. Instead of looking back at what you lost, begin looking ahead at everything you still have the power to achieve. As you continue growing, you'll notice something remarkable. The pain that once controlled your thoughts begins to lose its influence. The memories become lessons instead of wounds. The rejection that once felt like the end of your story becomes the beginning of your transformation. You develop confidence that comes from experience, wisdom that comes from overcoming hardship, and peace that comes from knowing your value has never depended on another person's approval. If the person who rejected you eventually returns, you'll be in a position to make decisions from strength instead of loneliness. If they never return, you'll still have gained something far more valuable: a stronger character, greater self-respect, and a life built on purpose rather than emotional dependence. That is the true victory. Success after rejection is not measured by whether someone comes back. It is measured by who you become because of the experience. When you choose growth over bitterness, purpose over regret, and self-respect over desperation, rejection loses its power. Your silence becomes more than the absence of words. It becomes the beginning of a life filled with confidence, resilience, and endless possibilities.